Hello friends, welcome back to the exam hacker. So this is our 11th video and today we will discuss 10 multiple choice question on the topic of origin of earth. So origin of earth or origin of our solar system, this is our discussion topic for the today lecture. So let us start the today video. This is the first question. First, pause the video and try to answer it. Question is Nebular hypothesis first proposed by whom? Nebular hypothesis is the first hypothesis or first theory that explains the origin of solar system including our earth. So this hypothesis does not explain the origin of universe. Instead, it explains the origin of solar system and earth. So firstly, it was proposed by Immanuel Kant in 1755. So answer of first will be A. Later, Laplace, French mathematician, in 1795. This theory was revised by Simon Laplace in 1796. Therefore, later we also called Kant-Laplace theory uh, of this theory. So, as per Nebular hypothesis, the solar system formed from the huge rotating cloud of gas and dust, which is called nebula. In the center of nebula, sun was formed, and in periphery of nebula, there are other planet, including Earth, was formed. So, nebular hypothesis first proposed by Immanuel Kant in 1755. So, answer of 1 would be A. Immanuel Kant. Second question. The planetesimal hypothesis was proposed by whom? So, this is the second theory that explains the origin of our solar system and origin of our Earth. So, the planetesimal hypothesis was proposed by whom? So, answer of this question would be Thomas Chamberlain. So, Thomas Chamberlain proposed the planetesimal hypothesis in 1905. 1905. So, Thomas Chamberlain, Ray Moulton proposed the planetesimal hypothesis, and as per this theory, uh, a solar system was formed after a nearby star passed close to the sun, and solar material was pulled out from the sun. This material cooled into many small bodies called planetesimal. Later, they combined and formed the various planets, including our Earth. So, planetesimal hypothesis was proposed by Thomas Chamberlain, A. Ray Moulton in 1905. This is the third question. First, pause the video and try to answer it. The tidal hypothesis was first proposed by whom? So, tidal hypothesis was first proposed by whom? It was proposed by the Harold Jeffrey. Harold Jeffrey. You must remember the Jeans and Jeffrey of the hypothesis of the tidal hypothesis. So, tidal hypothesis was first proposed by Sir James Jean and Harold Jeffreys in 1917. So, it is also known as the Jeans Jeffrey tidal theories. So, as per tidal hypothesis, a massive star passed near the sun. Strong tidal force pulled out a cigar-shaped stream. So, this is the sun. One other star also passed here, and massive cigar-shaped material was pulled out from the sun, and later it condensed and formed many planets. So this is the theory, Tidal hypothesis, and it was proposed by the Sir James Jeans and Harold Jeffreys in 1917. So this is the fourth question. First pause the video and try to answer it. The idea of the binary star hypothesis was put forwarded by. The idea of binary star hypothesis was put forward by whom? So binary star hypothesis was proposed by the Henry Norris Russell. Henry Norris Russell. So Henry Norris Russell in 1937 proposed the binary star theory, and later it was refined or uh, changes by the British astronomer R.A. Little. So as per binary star theory, Sun was originally had a companion star. Means this type of. There was the two star in our solar system, and they rotate like this. They rotate like this, and later they exploded and disintegrated debris from the from the our planet. So this was the binary star theory, which was proposed by the Henry Norris Russell in 1937. Now, fifth question. First, pause the video and try to answer it. The protoplanet hypothesis was proposed by whom? The protoplanet hypothesis. Protoplanet hypothesis is the refined version of the Nebular hypothesis. We also call the modern Nebula hypothesis. So, protoplanet hypothesis was proposed by Gerard Kuiper. Gerard Kuiper. So, in 1950s, uh, protoplanet hypothesis was proposed by Gerard Kuiper, and as per protoplanet hypothesis, a rotating cloud of gas and dust form a disk around the young sun. Condensation in the disk formed the protoplanets, and later uh, planet was formed from that. So in young stage of sun, this is young stage of sun, and there were a rotating cloud of gas around them, and after the condensation of this gas, our different planet, including Earth, was formed. So protoplanet hypothesis was proposed by the Gerard Kuiper in 1950s. Now this is the sixth question. First pause the video and try to answer it. The Earth formed about how many years ago? So, what is the age of our Earth? So, age of our Earth is about 4.5 billion year. So, in NCERT, 4.54 is the actual age of our Earth. So, answer of sixth will be D. 4.5 billion years ago, our Earth was formed. So, seventh question, the solar system formed about how many years ago? So, actually, Earth was formed about 4.5 billion years ago, and our solar system was formed about 4.6 billion, 6 billion years ago, and 13.8 billion years ago, our universe was formed. So this is the key fact and data you must remember regarding the origin of solar system, Earth and universe. So answer of seventh would be C, 4.6 billion years ago. Now eighth question. This was asked in UPPSC GDC Government Degree College exam in 2017. the life was the life was originated on Earth about how many years ago? So the life was originated on Earth about 3.5. So as per NCERT, 3.8 billion years ago, life was originated on Earth, but in this given option, 3.5 billion years ago is the closer to the 3.8. So answer of 8th will be B, 3.5 billion years ago. Ninth question. First pause the video and try to answer it. Consider the following statements. The earth was formed approximately 4.5 billion years ago. So this is the correct statement. About 4.5 billion ago, Earth was formed. The Earth formed from the giant cloud of gas and dust called a nebula. This is also true as per Nebular hypothesis. The Big Bang theory explains the origin of solar system. So this would be wrong. Big Bang theory explains the origin of universe, not our solar system. So for ninth, answer would be 1 and 2. A only. 1 and 2. A only. 10th question. Which one of the following theories is most widely accepted regarding the origin of the moon? So which theory explains the origin of moon? So giant impact theory explain the origin of moon, and it is the most accepted theory that explain the origin of moon. So answer of 10th would be giant impact theory. So as per giant impact theory, a Mars-sized body called Theia collide with the young Earth, and after that debris produced by the collision later form the moon. So it is the most accepted modern explanation of the origin of moon. So answer of 10th would be C, giant impact theory. So friends, this is all from the today lecture friends. I hope you would have enjoyed it. So thank you for watching. We'll meet again in the next video. Thank you.